Hello, welcome to Physics 241D, the online distant learning section of Electricity and Optics for Fall 2014. I'm Professor Laura Pyrak-Nolte, and in this brief video, I give you an introduction on how to navigate the course. We begin by suggesting that you make a link in your web browser to the course homepage, which is listed here for Physics 241D. After making the link, go to the course homepage, and you'll see the course title, Physics 241D, Electricity and Optics. On the left sidebar, there's links to course information, the lecture notes which you'll use while watching the lecture videos, how to access the lecture videos, how to do online recitation, a link to the forum for discussing physics with students in this class and in the in-class sections, as well as a link to videos on some of the basic concepts. So first, let's go through course information. Here you'll find the syllabus, which will provide more detail for all the topics that I cover in this short video, as well as the course calendar. If we look at the course calendar, we see the schedule for the entire fall semester. Note that the calendar in this format starts on Sunday, ends on Friday, and it shows 2 lectures a week, the material that you should read in the textbook prior to watching the video lecture. It lists when your lecture quizzes are due, which you have 2 a week, due on Friday. Your homework, which is listed as CHIP, Computerized Homework in Physics, is usually due on Sunday nights. And it also lists when your recitation quizzes are due, usually on Monday nights. In red are shown the days of the 2 exams for the course. The final will be decided which date later. And blue is when their holiday breaks. But being an online course, you can get ahead in the material if you need to. Now we mentioned that there's material that you should read prior to watching the video, but also prior to watching the video, you should download the lecture notes with the associated lecture video. So for example, you should download lecture notes 1, print them out, and then while you watch the boiler cast of the video, you can take notes directly on the printouts and have the same figures that you see in the video. Now, how do you access the lectures? Well, use this link to the boiler cast, and after you click on it and log in, you'll see a list of colleges and schools at Purdue, and click on the School of Science, and once it's loaded, scroll down to the physics section and click on Physics 241. Here you can either download the video of the lecture or watch it by video streaming. All 28 lectures are already posted on the website. When it's time for recitation, look at your class schedule at the time that recitation is listed. Come back to the course homepage, click on this online link, and then you'll log in through Adobe Connect using your login information or as a guest. There you'll see a live recitation with the teaching assistants for this course, where they'll cover basic concepts and how to do problem solving, and it's your time to ask questions about any material that you have questions about associated with the course. After recitation, after lecture, when you want to do your recitation quizzes or your lecture quizzes or your homework, there's a link on the course homepage to the CHIP homepage. We also have some PDF files that tell you how to use CHIP and about tolerances and accuracy and precision. Let's look at the CHIP homepage. After logging in, you'll come to a page that shows the homework assignments, lecture quizzes, recitation quizzes, and your student gradebook. The homework is usually due on Sunday nights, 1 minute prior to midnight, but the dates sometimes change if there's a holiday. You see the homework here for the entire year. You can also look at the homework questions just to get a feel for the subject material prior to watching the lecture videos. We also have links to the lecture quizzes, which are listed here, due on Fridays. There's 2 a week. An important thing that as soon as you click on this lecture quiz, a 20-minute clock will start, and you must finish the lecture quiz in one sitting. You cannot start and stop it. It's a one-shot type of lecture quiz. The same is true of the recitation quizzes, but we give you 30 minutes. So your recitation quizzes are done online here through the CHIP website. Once again, once you start it, you have to complete it in one sitting. And finally, you have the student gradebook. And as the course goes on, you'll be able to see how you're doing in the various course components. Another source of help, in addition to your recitation instruction, is the online forum Piazza. When you log into Piazza, you will have a forum where you can post questions, you'll get responses from other students in the courses, the teaching assistants, the professors, and so it provides another mechanism for you to get help with concepts or problems that you're struggling with. We also have links to the course information, the course websites, as well as your homework link for the PHYS241D. And we'll also have announcements posted there when important. The other thing you can do through this website is set up study groups. So you can find other people taking the online sections and maybe get together to watch the lecture videos together, because you can discuss them as the videos go on, and to form study groups. So finally, we have a link to short YouTube videos created by one of the teaching assistants for the course, Mr. Cyrus van der Walle. And these videos range anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes. They're just another resource for you if you're struggling with concepts in the course. So that's the end of the tour. If you have any questions, please email me. We strongly recommend or require you to read the syllabus. And the most important thing is to stay on schedule in terms of watching your video and doing your homework. Thank you.